ki samla puri ka thani Bhoi ki ai khublai kat pang ki pulit kari Bhoi kham tam ya ka traffic branch kabra du ti du dem ban phira bat Hikai ki nang nya kali bat kumju ya ki paj ba ban light na ka jingma om tang bagi pelut po ban Pyniaid ki kali ban pensuthu ki driver kali handai ki pensuthu bat Hikai ru ya ki anya kali ya ki paj ba kumno ban tip haba jam na ya ha Surok halokani ki samla puri ki khna school ki ai ka jing khublai ki pulit kari Bhoi ki ba simkhia om tang ban batai da ka sintur handai ki ba kloi ban pen I nang muna ni praktika sundon ha Surok kari Bhoi ka saki jingji accident ba man ka po ha Surok ba hadu bakal wanra ru ia ka jingdu ba bun ki mensim breu man ka por ki pulit ki apnong ru ia ka jing persuthu ia ki nong nya kali na du ki nong nya truk ki kali rit bat kumju ia ki asyaka nama baka jingnya klem akor jingki kra bu jingma ia ki mensim breu ka senjam rasim ki pulit ka yo ia ki jingero na kaleng ki paj ba nama baka wanra ia ka jing singa
Wak ruban ai kudai ya I SSP sir balak Pyniaid ya la Pyniaid ha ya ka traffic menta kisi ni la banyu I bab ki jing accident ru ki la kam tuna ha ka liang ka traffic nama ka jing tre sitong jong ka team jong ka police nombo te ka jing ya na ka ba ki la ai ka long ka sibun ba him na so ban long kumno ban ai kudai ki ka ki paj baru ki la kam yo jusuk ban cross ya ka Surok kumno ban ya silang ki driver banyak kali ru kila kam don kata ka jing control le kila kam don kata ka jisno tu na kalian joki na marka jing trace tong ban pentip joki police na kalian ka traffic police ba ai jing tip iki te ila ban ikwa ban ai le ya ka jing trace tong joki hantam ha ka jing pe ya traffic te kublish bun
Bunkam hi sungai ai ka cikulai ya kari Bhoi polis si barok Khaweh kamtam ya ka traffic branch ka jing yo nong ga jongi hi ka bangi wan ta si kade ka ba nitip ya kirul ki an ta ya ki section ki baper abide bat ki traffic te ni kong khna pule agliang jong ka law department ni layo sibun ba ki jing yo nong katam habide bat ki rule bat ka regulation habide kumno bagi nya kali kumno bagi Bunkam anta Khaweh ba kum hakine kisi ni I ba nakaliang jong ka Bhoi police department hi kalami sekman banle ya ka bahatam na banta kinolek nongwan kunju ya kipat ba nong sung hi borok Khaweh nakaliang kajung hihi gwa ong ba ikwa ban kitbok kiriang saisin ya ka kunhun Bhoi polis ba kumbali I haki news ba per haki social media haki lap patai khabar ba nakpor sakpor kila simkhia khamtam hakbaya dei bat mentau snem te kum nagliang kajung hihi ki khna pule na po nathi na po Mahatma Gandhi University Khalaimer Bornihan misio ban ai ka jingkit bok kiriang bagi dang la syu ban tre bat ban mai phang syu ya ki kam ba ha be dei bat ki ka jinglek jingwan jong ki pajwa knang ban kadon ka chung ka chung sangai namar ba mentahi kisni dilabun ba labun stang ki jingja jong ki khna na ka por sakpor bat nang ba ka jingtre system jong ki polis jong ka meglia bro Khaweh hi kila bante lakam ban penduna ya kini ki kam bajabo
I like my personally like we all not me only but I think all of the students they really feel like how active they are actually they were doing their best just by seeing we can like assume like how tough is the work we practically done and we already know like how tough is the my hands is still hurting like frankly I'm saying it's still hurting like just doing like few minutes so like as a student we learn a lot today. Usually we all know like how the traffics work, we know how to cross the road usually, but doing it practically it was very rare chance. We don't get this chance usually, but because of our Meghalaya police we got this chance, especially Nopo police. We got this wonderful chance for like doing it practically, like to know like something like deeply better. So very thankful and it was very beneficial to know like how the traffic works, how tough is the work like for traffic police also, how tiring, how they are working so hard for us. It was very like thankful, and I'm very thankful, and it was really amazing. Thank you.